Turn the stroller frame upside down. Remove the R-clip. Align and snap on rear wheels. Insert R-clip. Align and snap on rear wheel cover. Release brake for setup. Attention, orientation. Insert the rear brake component into the frame until you hear a click. Flip the stroller back upright. Apply the brakes. Open it up until you hear a click. Remove the R-clip. Line it up and push it and make sure it's fully seated. Insert the R-shaped whistle into the stroller. Install the front wheel cover. Install the cup holder. Install the storage bag. Installation complete. Display.